Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to match cut audio on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are, and this is our sample audio right here. So since this is a video and it has audio in it, so we need to extract the audio so that we can add beats to it. So what we're gonna do from this video with audio is that we're gonna right click and select it, right click, and then click on extract audio so that we would have the audio right here on the audio tray right here. So what we're going to do is select the audio, and from here we have options. So we have match cut, we have auto bit right here. So this is basically what we're going to be using right here. You can go for auto bit first, so let's see what would happen, and we can go for beat 1. So this is, as you can see, there are markers right here in the audio, and that is the beat 1, and this is the beat 2 right here. So it really depends on what you want right here, but I don't really use this. I use match cut. Right here, I can go here. Let's go ahead and remove this bit right here. So we can match cut right here. And for example, there is a beat by this point of the audio. You can click on match cut, and then it would add a beat right there. So this is how you would do it, so that you would have markers, so that you would know where to cut and so on. And you can clear the bits by this button right here. So yeah, you can just go and do the auto beat right here if you don't want to manually do it. So beat 1, it would be like this for this audio, and beats 2, and it will be like this for this audio right here after you have selected a match cut. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.